Beware of third-party apps on Facebook, those quizzes, those games that aren't belonging to Facebook but that are by a third-party company, particularly one that you don't know or know their trusted reputation. This can cause issues because in order to install the app, they ask for access to your profile. And then from there, they can see your friends list. So they can start randomly posting things out, making it seem that it's you onto your friends list. It can cause viruses, and this is where a lot of the hacking can also come through. And there was an article that I read some time ago about how people who'd installed this unauthorized app actually ended up losing access to their account. Thing to do is to go through Facebook account and uninstall any apps that aren't from a trusted brand or recognized source.